Hi, my name is Barry and I'm from Optics. And today I'm going to show you how you can convert any one of our detectors into a wireless detector into your favorite alarm. All you need to do is make sure the product code has an R. Second of all, choose your favorite detector for any of your applications, and all you have to do is put in a preferred transmitter. Watch this video to see how it's done.
Here we have to have our bill of quantities. And first of all, we have the WXR 180 degree PIR. Inside there we have two sets of wires, the necessary transmitter from your favorite alarm panel, and a little CR123 battery which comes with the transmitter. You'll notice on the battery leads we have two little square plates. The reason why being so is that these plates will be inserted in between the battery and the terminals. The reason for this is that the battery is going to supply the power to the WXR as well as the day-to-day transmission of the necessary transmitter. We then take the yellow and the white wire and we connect it into circuit. This is for the day-to-day operation of the detector. And then the blue and the green wire, which is the tamper input, which is for anti-masking and tampering with the detector. Then all we simply do is we take these wires and we feed them through the back of the transmitter. And the reason why being so that we can close the housing to put into the back of the detector. Then take the transmitter cover, we close it, put our last little screw, and our device is almost ready for installation. The first thing that we just got to do here now is to take the detector, turn it around, and what we do is got two little plugs there. The one plug's got a red, a black, a yellow, and a white wire. The second plug has got a blue and a green. Just match color for color, simply insert them and plug them in. We then take the transmitter, put it into the back of the casing of the WXR, mount the ingredients, and close our cover. We now have a WXR 180 degree ready for installation.
Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions or queries, please see the email below or contact me directly. And that's what we call Sensing Innovation.